this trail mix food here. Just like made on the spot.
Oh, hey there.
I made this amazing trail mix.
Let me tell you, we use this mixing machine. We mix all kinds of ingredients that we source from farmers right here across the United States. And so we partner with farmers to get all these ingredients and we load them into this big mixer. We mix them all together just to get just the right amount of things, like in this one, cranberries and nuts and other dried fruits, to make it that perfect burst of flavor with every handful that you get.
How do you stay in stock when your store looks like it's almost always empty?
So we keep everything so stocked because we have our store, we also have a whole big warehouse behind. We're able to source all kinds of ingredients, and so we make our trail mix fresh though. So we make about 3 months worth at a time to try and keep it fresh, but we also, whenever we package it, we seal it in airtight containers to keep it the freshest trail mix, so you can have bursts of flavor with all kinds of things that not only taste great, but are super good for you as well.
Yummy. Whoa, this is big.
This is a big warehouse, but trust me, it gets even bigger.
How can it get bigger when it's this size?
I know it seems so large and we have so many different products, but our warehouse, we partner with farmers all across the country. So we have products coming in from all over, from all the way in Florida to California to Washington to even Canada.
Canada?
Yes, we have products from farmers all across North America. Let's come into our next warehouse. What do you think about this, Enoch?
This keeps getting bigger and bigger.
It keeps getting bigger and bigger. But wait, there's more. It keeps getting bigger. We have so many food products for you and your family to enjoy. Look at this. Wow. Don't get lost amongst all the food.
I'm wondering if I can not get lost. Well, with that, I think I've learned all I need to learn about my trail mix.